Hey hackers, it's GoldieBlox and I'm getting ready for Hack Along, and it takes a long time to do this main. So I came up with this idea that was like every Tuesday I'm gonna do a 2-minute Tuesday and respond to your guys' questions and like one of your comments, and in 2 minutes or less. I'm gonna try because you know a girl likes to ramble. I picked this comment from Kayla Basketball. Cringe. What if Kraft mac and cheese and Apple teamed up to make an edible rose gold MacBook and cheese? Would you eat it? So I feel like I would, but I feel like Apple would make it like if you ate it, you would get really smart. Like a computer, you know? If it's beautiful, because MacBooks are beautiful and grilled cheese, not grilled cheese, that's today's episode. Mac and cheese are beautiful. I feel like they would just like collaborate in such a beautiful way. I'm all for that. So, Kayla, it's a yes. Let's like contact Apple and see if we can get this happening. And that's what we have for 2-Minute Tuesday. I'll see you guys in the next Hack Along. Ask anything you want in the comments because I'm gonna answer it next week. Bye!